guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. Today I want to talk to you about the annual plant of the year, which is Supertunia Bordeaux. And I am really excited that this is the plant of the year because it happens to be one of my favorites. I love to plant anything purple in my garden. It's got like purplish pink blooms with really dark purple veining. It's just such a beautiful flower that takes full sun and it blooms all the way through summer through a hard frost. I planted Bordeaux in several different areas of my landscape and it's performed beautifully. It mounds up a little bit and it spreads out so you can plant it in mass or you can tuck it into any little bare spots in your flower beds. But my most favorite spot I've ever had it planted was alongside White Knight Alyssum. They complemented each other really well and the contrast was so striking. I've also planted it a lot in containers as both a standalone plant and in combination with others. I think it really goes well with blues and yellows like in this Bahama Beach recipe that I planted up a couple years ago. And it also looks great with shades of pink and deep purple, which is a combo I plan on planting a lot of this year. In fact, Supertunia Bordeaux is going to be a huge focal point in my garden this year. And because it's the annual plant of the year, you should be able to find it readily available at your garden center. If you haven't tried Bordeaux in the past, I really encourage you to try it this year. Give it sun, consistent water, and I guarantee you'll want to plant more of it the following year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.